One day, one person, one tree. An average human releases 12 to 15 kilograms of carbon dioxide every single day. That's from travel, electricity, food, and daily living. In 1 year, that becomes 4 to 5 tons of carbon per person. Invisible, but impactful. But nature already knows how to heal. One mature tree can absorb 20 to 25 kilograms of carbon dioxide every year. A small act with lasting impact. At KAIG Farms, every tree planted is a step toward reducing carbon footprints. Plantations that grow quietly, absorbing carbon year after year. Imagine land that doesn't just grow value, but gives back to the planet. KAIG Farms, where every investment breathes. Reduce carbon, restore balance.